Hey guys, it's Dr. Ben and I'm back with a quick little dental tip, and today we're going to talk about rubber dams. So I always see you guys struggling to get the rubber dam onto a tooth. I'm going to give you a quick little tip that works for me. So first thing is you want to make sure you have a really stretchy rubber dam, so a really good rubber dam. And here's my little tip. So you're going to take your hole puncher, let's say you're doing a molar. What you're going to do is you're going to make a double hole. So here's what I mean about a double hole. So you line up where you're going to make your hole, you punch. Now here's what you're gonna do. You're going to move over a little bit. You're gonna overlap that hole with another hole, punch again. So now what you've done, if you take a look, is you made two holes and basically one big hole. Okay, two holes next to each other, one big hole. Go ahead and clamp your tooth into position. And here's what you're gonna do. This is where you really need to really stretch your rubber dam. You're gonna stretch the rubber dam and you're gonna place it over the clamp, just like so, over all those areas. Then, what you're going to do is you just take an Explorer or a college plier, cover up the areas that you don't want exposed, and voila, now you have a very quick and easy and efficient rubber dam placement. You can have additional holes if you want to do the additional teeth, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed.